Hello, warm greetings from Bhutan. I would like to extend my greetings from my king and the people of Bhutan, particularly my family. So I would like to say hi to the people around the world. I have been enjoying for last 3 days. I'm in a different world. It really touched me, which I have been looking for such kind of similar programs, and it has been something a dream for me, which I should say that the world must go for such activity. And the voice of healthcare, the idea that you have come up with such a diversity, that is highly respectable and remarkable, which I strongly believe that this has to go long way, where you can really influence the people, those who really want to build their career in future, and those who really want to influence their society, their family, and they themselves, those who aspire to grow themselves. I think this is the right platform. So I would like to wish all the success for the voice of healthcare. Thank you so much, CEO, the management team, and everyone. Thank you so much.